Karen, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my dressing area organisation. First we have a little bit of cleaning to do, and then I'll be moving all my clothes into these new wardrobes. In this first wardrobe is going to be 4 drawers. As you can see, I already have a hanging rail in this one, and over in the second one I will have 2 rails, one high and one in the middle. I can't have any drawers in here because of the power socket, so I'm opting for the 2 rails to make the most of the space. It all needs cleaning first, as this bedroom is really dusty from the work we've been doing in here. So that's all my things hung up. I have dresses and jumpsuits, and then trousers and skirts up there. And then down here I have jumpers and jackets. Then in this one I have my everyday tops and shirts, things that are a bit shorter that I can fit above the shelf. Now I'm going to organise the drawers. I can have a basket down at the bottom for shoes. I am having to hang these long clothes over the rail. This was always the plan, as I want to make the most of the space. As I mentioned earlier, this is because of the electrical socket I have for the desk area.
it's another day, and the trolley is all done. I put a few pieces in it. So in the top I've got my hairdryer and straighteners, and then in the other two compartments I'm going to use some of these plastic divider trays. I need some for hair stuff, general other makeup, skin and nails, things like that. So I want to separate into the categories and put it in this trolley. I've also put my small mirror up here and my lamp so I can start doing my makeup in here in the morning. So I'm going to organise all my stuff, put it in its separate places, and then it'll all be ready. I can then move on to cleaning everything. So I need to clean the windows, not the windows. I need to clean the mirrors, these dirty little things. I've then got some final touches to do, so I need to put some hooks on the brackets, on the bottom of the brackets. I also need to paint the little bit of skirting board that's down here under this desk, and then it'll be ready to show you guys the finished project.